Hello everybody. Welcome to our live show. This is Lily here. We are from Sano Hongwang Group. We are the very famous and professional manufacturer about the drilling machine, power driver machine, and some construction machine like excavator, backhoe loader, and mixer truck, dumper truck, and on. So no matter your construction project, which kind of your construction project, we all have the very suitable machine can meet your needs. So if you have any needs, just contact us. We are Hongwang Group. Today, I'd like to introduce a very famous and very popular machine, the drilling rig. It can be used for water well drilling, especially for house water using. Also for the construction project to drilling the borehole, it's all very suitable. Please look here. You can see this is a very big machine. This is the pneumatic drilling rig. For the water well drilling machine, we can maybe if you are new for this machine, I'm introducing you now. For the drilling machine, we totally have two types. One is the hydraulic drilling rig. Another is the pneumatic drilling rig, like this one, very big. For the hydraulic drilling machine, it is especially for soil drilling. You can know for our underground, on the geological, we have the soil. Most places have the rock, stone, and the quarry. So if you meet the very complex geology, you can choose our pneumatic drilling rig. The pneumatic drilling rig is especially for rock drilling. So if you meet the hard rocks, hard stones under the ground, you can choose our machine. For this one, you can see this model is XQZ 220L. So for the number 220 is the max drilling depth. So for this machine, the max drilling depth is 220 meters. But not worry, we have a series of drilling machine for this type. We have from 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, maybe max 600 meters. We all have the suitable model. So no matter how many meters you need to drilling, we all have the suitable machine. Today, let's mainly introduce this one, XQZ 220. For this one, it's especially for rock drilling. The max drilling depth is 220. For the drilling diameter, that means the borehole width. It can from 75 millimeter to 345 millimeter. So the width based on the drilling diameter based on your need. We can match the different drill bit. From the mini diameter is 75 millimeter. Maybe you can. The most popular diameter is 152 millimeter. It's about 5 inch. Maybe you always see 5 inch, 6 inch, and 7, 8 inch. The four type, the four size is very popular in our clients. So if you have no idea about your borehole width, you can choose the 5 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch. Now let's see this machine. You can see this machine is very big, very powerful. From here, you can see this long one, this long slide is our hydraulic tower. For this tower, for this one, our common model, our standard type is 3 meters. If you want the more height for the hydraulic tugboat, you can choose 6 meters. The price is different, but we can produce for you. For this standard model, the hydraulic tugboat is 3 meters. So when it lifts on, it can connect the drill rod. The drill rod is 3 meters. You can match 3 meters drill rod for 2 meters drill rod and 1.5 meters drill rod, and the mini is 1 meters drill rod. So for the drill rod, you will connect from here. You can see this is the joint. For this one, this is the joint. It will connect the power head. This is the machine power head. Will connect with the joint. Then next, connect the impactor. After the impactor, you will connect the drill rod. Then next is the drill bit. So for this silt, for this full silt, like the drill rod, drill bit, and impactor, we all produce. So not worry where you will match the drill rod. Just contact us. We all have for the spare parts. We will match. We will equip a full set for you. So no need you to buy any other spare parts. Just loading it in a place, then you can work with it. From here you can see this is the one chain. For this type is the one chain. We also have the cylinder type. The lifting type, the whole hoist type is different. Next, let's see this one. You can see this is a hydraulic fork. It is standard model on this machine. Its main usage is to discharge and loading and unloading the drill rod. You can know, maybe you know, for the drill rod, it is 2 meters, maybe 3 meters. For one drill rod, maybe it will more than 13 kilogram. So it is very heavy. If we person to connect the drill rod, it will very worst about manpower. So use this one. It will very convenient and it is very convenient and help you to save much manpower. You can save money. You can save much money for this one. Here you can see this is the hydraulic hoist. This is our hydraulic system. We all use very durable pipe, durable hoist, durable and import system. So it is very powerful with a long working life on this machine. So for this, from our client feedback, it is very, working with a very good performance. They all like this one because this is import from Italy. For this one, you can see this is a mini light. We can see this is a mini light. So if you're working in the night, this mini light will very helpful. So if your work is not finished at the it is very helpful if we working in the night. Maybe your work cannot finish at the daily time. So maybe we'll need working in the night. So this is very powerful. here you can see this one. This one is the hydraulic leg. You can see this round leg pallet. When we're working at the ground, maybe there has a soil not very stable. So just lift this under the ground. Then it will have a function about it's too stable, make the machine more stable to working. You can see here, we have 4 legs. You can see this one and this one. And behind of the machine will have another two legs. Also for this hydraulic leg has another function. Because this one is you can see this is a track mounted track. It is with a track chassis, so it's working very slowly. If we want to move it from one place to another place, maybe we need to load it on the truck. So we just stress it out. Then the two values will be 2 meters, and it can stress out. For this one, the total height will 1.8 meters. So the machine, the ground distance. So the machine chassis from the ground, the max length is 1.6 meters. So the truck can under this machine. Then this machine can loading on the truck very easily. So it will lifting on the truck itself. No need fork, no need crane. For this one, you can see this. Our machine always all matched with 2 hydraulic pump. It will increase the power and the rotation torque. So the rotary drilling speed will very fast. So if you meet the rock, it will working with a very quickly speed. For the drilling speed with air compressor, maybe we meet the rock, the drilling speed maybe can arrive 20 meters to 30 meters for 1 minute. So it is very quickly. So if you want to drill a 200 meters water well borehole, maybe in 1 day can drilling two borehole very easily. So it will help you to have much work and earn more money. Here we can see this is a hydraulic system. It is very powerful. Here we can see this is our operating table. You can see this is our operating table. This is a different charm here. And this is the operator and the keys to start up this machine. This one is to finish the work, flame out. And next here we can see this is axial compression adjustment, and this one for faster upgrade. This is rotation. This is for power head rotation. This is for lifting hydraulic tower faster upgrade. For this one is unloading lever. Unloading lever we can use for this operation is to operate the hydraulic fork like we see before, to discharge the drill rod. This one is to control the winding, control the winch. This one is to lift the tower and slow the lift. Here, this one, we can see there has two charms. The two charms is to control the oil and the water tank and oil tank, and keep the machine in a balance. Here is our main part. This is our engine. You can see this is our certificate about the engine. For this model 220, we use the Yunlei brand engine. It is a very famous brand engine with a big powerful. For the Yunlei engine is very popular in China. If you do not like the Yunlei engine, you can choose the Yuchai. Yuchai is #1 brand in China. If you still do not want the Yuchai engine, you can choose the Cummins engine. For the engine, it can install just like you need. Maybe the price is different, but we can produce as you need, as you want. Here you can see this is a pipe. This is a pipe connected the blue one. For this is the air filter. This is the air filter to protect the machine from the sand, from the stone, to make it working very well. Here is the some operate about the four legs, like the hydraulic leg, like we see just now this leg, to control the leg, to control it left, right, and lifting and down. For this one, you can see there has a space. As you want, if you need the chair, we can install the chair here. It will have a chair, so the staff can sit here to operate the machine very easily. So if the machine working, then the person can sit here to work with the machine together. From here we can see, you can see here this one. This is the air filter. So if you buy the machine, we will send you an air filter for free. So this is for the machine maintenance. If you buy extra, maybe $100 for this one. But if you buy our machine, we will send you one set for free. Here you can see this one. This here has a connector. You can see this is a connector. What is used? This is to connect the air compressor. It will have a air pump connected here, and another side is connected the air compressor. So this is to connect the air compressor. You can see this is our air filter. Air filter. You can see here. For the air filter, oil filter and the machine filter, that's all belong the machine maintenance. If you want to maintain it in 3 months or in half of a year, you can match some of the filter together. Cost not too much, very cheap. Here you can see this is the, from here you can see this has a space. If you want to install the vent, we can install the vent here. Can install for you if you need the vending machine. I'm sorry, vending machine. The vending machine usage is to vending the pipe, vending the kissing pipe. So it is very convenient if you're working outside, because at the outside it is hard to find the electric, to find the vending machine. But with this vending machine, it will use the diesel engine to supply the power, so it can work well at the outside. Here is the winch. You can see the wire. Oh, this is the winch. You can see. For the winch, it is used to lifting the drill rod, drill bit, and impactor. The total lifting weight is 1.5 kilogram. Tons. 1.5 tons. So it with powerful engine, it with the strong power to lifting the road very easily. Here you can see this is our cylinder. This cylinder is to control the hydraulic tower. You can see the cylinder is very powerful. It is wide, with strong power. Now let's see our track. You can see for this one we match is the rubber track. This is the construction rubber track. Very durable, working on the different, working in the different fluid, different road. If you want to match the steel rubber, a steel track, we can install for you. But generally, for the machine no more than 215 meters, we always match with the rubber track because it is very protectable for the countryside road. If you working on the mountains, and the highway road, maybe the steel track more suitable. So that's all can customize as you need. So not worry, just tell us your need, your inquiries. We will produce as you need because we have an engineer to design, to help you design the size based on your need. So if you are in need of the water well drilling machine, just tell us how many meters you want to drilling. If you don't have an idea about how many meters need drilling, maybe you can ask your friend, ask your engineer, or ask us, because we have many clients in different countries. We will have an idea about to how many meters need drilling. We have widest drilling machine suitable for different drilling depths. And another one for your geology, mainly is soil, mainly is rock. For this one, is especially for rock drilling. Maybe have a client will say, in our place we have at the top of the ground is the soil. For this machine, maybe you see, wow, this machine is so big. How to ship it to my country? Not worry, for this machine, the total weight is 4 tons. It's 4 tons. So for this machine, in a 20-inch, in a 20-inch container, because for this hydraulic tower, it will lift down when we ready to ship. Like this one, you can see. For this one, you can see it will much smaller. It can loading into the container very easily for the 20-inch container. Because this machine is a rock drilling rig, it needs working with the air compressor. Maybe in your place not have air compressor. We have. You can buy together. So if with the air compressor, for this drilling machine will loading into a 14-inch container. It also can match some drill rod, drill bit, and other spare parts. That's all suitable. In a 14-inch container, it is very easily to shipping this full set drill rig. For this machine, maybe it can working with the air compressor to change into the multifunction model, because in our geological it will have the soil, maybe have some rock and some stones. On the firstly, we need drilling the soil first. We need drilling the soil ground. But for this one, especially for rock drilling, how should we do? We can install a mud pump in this machine. So at firstly, you can use the hydraulic system, not match the air compressor. Just use a mud pump and to lifting this machine to drilling the soil. And next, we meet the rock, you can match the air compressor to drilling the rock. So it is very multifunctional and very convenient. It can suitable in different geology, in different places with different depths and diameter. It's all very suitable. Also for it with the track, it can working in the narrow place, in the mud place. Maybe you need drilling the water well in the farm, in the garden. It has many soil, so the wheel-mounted model, wheel type, can't go into this place. This one can do. This one is very suitable. Okay, let's see this machine. Let's see the details about this machine. This is 220 model. This one is specially for rock drilling. This is a pneumatic drilling machine. It will working with the air compressor. Also, this one should need match the drill DT-inch drill bit. What's the DT-inch? It's the down the hole. It's especially for the rock drilling. The DT-inch drill bit will match with the diamond button, so it's drilling the rock very easily. Okay, let's see the machine. Let's see the machine. You can see. Let's see the whole machine. You can see what's this. You can see. You can our painting. You can see the painting very beautiful. So if you have any needs about the water well drilling, just contact us. We are Shandong Hengwang Group. We are the professional manufacturer about the we are the professional manufacturer about the drilling machine. We have a hydraulic drilling and pneumatic drilling like this. Next time, if we have time, let's learn the hydraulic drilling machine. This is the pneumatic drilling machine. We are one group. If you have any needs about the drilling, and if you have any questions, just contact us. Okay, see you next time. See you, bye.